How to see messages on LinkedIn mobile app. Firstly, you have to install the LinkedIn app from your Play Store. Now open it on your Android. In this way, this type of front page will appear in front of you, and we are going to know that how to open messages on LinkedIn mobile app. How to find messages or how to see message. At the top you can see there is a bar of three dots, and this is icon of messaging. Just click on it. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Now you can see here, if you get any message, if you want to start a message here, just write the name of the person or ID here. You can write message, and you can also get as well as send messages from here. This is for whole both Android and iPhone. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.